Alright guys, welcome to the first video of Module 1, and we're going to talk about what affiliate marketing is in this video and kind of the benefits and things like that and why I like doing affiliate marketing. So I don't know if the light's very good in here, but my other light broke, so we only have one. So hopefully the light is good. I will just mess with my settings actually to make sure we're all good. Alright, I can see myself pretty good, so you should be able to see me as well. So affiliate marketing, guys, is pretty much when you send traffic to a link that is your custom link, and then your customers get sent, or your traffic gets sent to a page where they purchase a product, right? And there's two things that happen. Number one is you get a commission, so you get a percentage of the sale, which is the best part, right? You make money. Second, now a lot of you guys might already know this, but I just need to cover it. Now second, and one of the actual best parts of this business model is the vendor, so the person who runs all the landing page, runs the product, runs the software, whatever, Amazon, whatever you're promoting, they deal with everything else. So you literally collect the money, they deal with the support, any issues, any updates, landing page creation. So that's one of the reason why I really love affiliate marketing, because I don't have to deal with all of like updating the software or updating anything. I don't have to deal with creating a landing page for the particular software, even though with affiliate marketing it is good to have your own landing pages, but we will talk about that a little bit later on. But it's just amazing that all you need to do is have traffic, send it to a link, send it to an offer, and you literally just make money just like that. That's why this business model is really, really good, and that's why a lot of people do this, because there's really not a lot of work involved. The work is really getting the traffic to the offer. That's where the work really is. All of this is the easy part, right? So anything from here on is the easy part, because number one is the customer deals with the landing page onwards. So they do all the, I hope you can see this line. So the customer does, or the vendor, the seller, does all the conversion optimization. They have their own sales video that's usually very, very good. They have optimized the landing page. Everything from here on is usually pretty simple and easy, and you don't have to worry about anything. It's the traffic to the offer that is the most important part. So what we're going to be focusing on in this course, I'm going to try and be as detailed as possible with the less amount of videos possible, because in my last course, if you were in that Ecom Elite, there were over 120 videos, and although it was great, it was just a little bit too much. I think with affiliate marketing, we can actually, it's a lot less involved as well than dropshipping, so we don't need to go over a whole lot. So in this course, guys, we're going to focus on, our main focus is going to be finding offers and traffic. But our main focus is actually going to be on traffic, how to get good traffic, how to get high converting traffic, how to do paid traffic, how to set up landing pages for your funnels, how to set up all sorts of stuff. Okay, but our main focus, because a lot of you guys already know this, right? You know that you go out there, you send traffic to a link, and you make a commission. Easy, right? We all know that. But everyone always says to me, Franklin, how do we get the traffic to make the money? Like, that's the most important thing. All right, guys? This is it, guys. With affiliate marketing, okay, your number one priority is to get traffic Hopefully you can see that. That's not very good. Let's get the black pen. So traffic to an offer. That is your main priority. Without traffic, you don't have an affiliate business. Without traffic, you actually don't have any business, whether it be drop shipping, lead generation, affiliate marketing, whether you're selling your own course. Without traffic, you don't have a business. So you need to build up that traffic, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and the best ways to do that. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to continue on to the next video on this module. So that was basically affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You go out there and you send traffic to these particular links. and you get money. But now I want to talk about the kinds of traffic you can get, the best converting traffic, and we'll also talk about some other traffic methods before we move on to actually finding products and promoting them and stuff like that, because you need to understand traffic before we get into anything else. That's really important. How are you going to get your traffic? Where are you going to get it from? And all of that sort of good stuff, right? So what we'll do now is we'll jump into the next video below.